had a lovely evening, I walked you to your car. The next thing I know, you were leaning in and we kissed. I never get this far, I hold you close the moment last I touch your skin. But I went to run my hand through your hair and I noticed you were attached to string. You were a puppet this whole time, you were attached to string. You were a puppet this whole time. I think back to the meal we ate, I really should have noticed then. You were spilling food all down your top and knocking shit over with your arms flailing. But the way you looked at me with those unblinking eyes, it distracted me from my mom in the rafters of the restaurant. She was making your arms move, making your mouth chew, making you love me, making me love you. You were a puppet this whole time, you were attached to string. You were a puppet this whole time.
Well, I don't care what they say, cause I love you. You're a puppet, I'm a boy, but together we are two. I'll take you to the altar, you say I do. Mom's pulling the strings, but I'm connecting with you. I love
Now we have a life together and we live down by the sea. You can't go in the water, but you can sit on the sand watching me. We have a beautiful son, half puppet and half man. Though the kids at school like to tease him sometimes for his puppet head and his human hands. But everything else was perfect until my dad called me one day. He said, son, I'm sorry to tell you that your mother passed away. I guess you didn't know what to say, 'cause you didn't say a thing. I guess you didn't know what to do, 'cause you completely stopped moving. You were a puppet this whole time, you were attached to string. You were a puppet this whole time, you were attached to string. You were a puppet this whole time.